Want to create stunning certificates in just minutes? Let me show you how with Appy Pie's AI Certificate Generator. First, head over to the Appy Pie AI Certificate Maker page. You'll find the link in the description below. Next, simply type what you want on your certificate, like the name, occasion, and any special message. Once your prompt is ready, and click the Generate button. Log in or sign up to Appy Pie Design. It's quick and completely secure. Now, let the AI do its magic. Your certificate is ready in seconds. Plus, you can customize it further, add text, remove unwanted objects, resize, replace backgrounds, and much more. Happy with your design? Just click the 3 dots, the More Options button, and download your certificate instantly in high quality. And that's it. Quick, easy, and professional. All powered by AI. Try it now with Appy Pie Design.